how to do this makeup inspired by James Charles. When I saw it, I needed to do it right away, so here's my version. I even paint my hand and arm, so if I could, I would do my whole body, but yeah, we don't have time for that. If you want to learn how to make this look, just keep watching. I'm going to start moisturizing my face with this coconut water cream by First Aid Beauty. And for primer, I'm using this rice primer from Palladio. For applying my foundation, I'm using one of my favorite brushes from Gabriel's Makeup. This is the Face Master. One thing I love about this brush is that it doesn't leave you any brush strokes, so you end up having like a flawless finish with whatever foundation you're using. I'm using these concealers for my contour, and I'm going to apply the lightest shade, as you can see, under my eyes, on my forehead, and a little bit on my chin. And then with the dark shade, I'm just going to add some shadows on my cheekbones and the outside of my forehead. For blending this contour, I'm using this sponge, also from Gabriel's Makeup. For baking, I'm using the No Color powder and the same sponge. For my eyebrows, I'm using the Master Eyeliner, which is a super thin brush. It's perfect for doing hair strokes or doing any type of eyeliner. And I'm using my Kabrow in number 3. This is a Master Blending, and it's perfect for blending any type of eyeshadows. We're going to grab our palette. In this case, I'm using Sigma Nightlife by Camila Coelho. And I'm going to grab this dark purple eyeshadow. I'm going to use it as my transition color. For the rest of my look, I'm going to be using this luxury book set from Gabriel's Makeup. We're going to add some black to the outer corner of our eye and under the eye. With a liner brush and some concealer, I'm going to start my half cut crease. And as you can see, I'm going a little bit over the actual crease of my eye, so you can see it when my eyes are open. And for sealing the concealer, I'm using this silver eyeshadow and adding some glitter. For the glow, I'm using Moonchild by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Blue Moon. And we finish with some House of Lashes. And it's time to cut our blank canvas. For that, I'm using this crayon and I'm just tracing a line on the half of my face, and I'm using these makeup wipes from Aesthetica Cosmetics to wipe off the excess of makeup. For painting my face white, I'm using Aqua XL from Makeup Forever. And this is my favorite part because we can get creative or we can just leave it white. I really wanted to do my whole body in white. I don't know why, it just makes me feel so good. But well, you can use either other colors or glitter. I've seen a lot of versions online, so just have fun doing this look. To do the dripping effects, I'm mixing my foundation with the Essential Prep Primer Oil from MAC to actually liquefy the foundation and make it run on top of the white paint. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment any ideas or things that you would like to see in my next tutorials.